So every once in a while, you come across a business that exceeds your expectations so far that you say to yourself, I gotta do a video testimonial for these people just because everyone needs to know about how great this company is. And the company I'm talking about is Glenshaw Auto. Glenshaw Auto is located in North Hills, Pittsburgh, in Glenshaw, right on Mount Royal Boulevard. They got 2 locations there. They have a lot of mechanics who are all fantastic. I've taken my car there for quite a while. It's my second vehicle I've taken there. And every time they just really exceed my expectations. This last time I was really sure what was wrong with my car, and I was wrong. And what was actually wrong with it was much cheaper than what I thought, thank gosh. But my car did have to be in for a few days. And one of the services that they offer there is a free loaner car if your car is going to be there a while. And if you're just coming in for just a service, like an oil change or something like that, and you need shuttled, they also offer free shuttle service to take you back to your home or work, wherever you may need to go. Just unbelievably fantastic service. When you first call them, you get to talk to either Matt or Kylie, the customer service technicians, and both of them are tremendously knowledgeable. They don't leave you hanging. The mechanics check your car out quick, diagnose it, find out what's wrong, and they let you know what's going on. You know, they're not like other places where I've taken my car years ago where you wait around and you don't get called and you're wondering what the hell's going on. Not Glenshaw Auto. They're fantastic. They really let you know what's happening. Their estimates have always been what they told me it was going to be is what I paid at the end, which is great. Tremendously reputable. Everybody needs car repair from time to time. And if you're a resident of Pittsburgh or surrounding areas of Pittsburgh, you don't want to take your car anywhere else. These people are fantastic. So I highly, highly recommend taking your car to Glenshaw Auto for maintenance or repairs.